Wait, what if I told you that you can start speaking English from today, even if you don't know grammar, don't have confidence, and feel scared to speak one sentence? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. Millions of people learn English the wrong way. They memorize rules, study boring books, and still can't speak. But beginners who follow the smart way start speaking faster, sound confident, and actually enjoy the process. So, if you're a complete beginner, don't move. Because in the next few minutes, you'll learn the simplest, smartest, and most beginner-friendly way to learn English. Without stress, without confusion, and without feeling dumb. And trust me, if you follow this, your English journey will finally start moving. First thing you need to understand. English is not a subject. It's a skill. And skills are not learned by reading, they're learned by doing. Think about it. Did you learn your mother tongue by studying grammar?
No.
You learned by listening, copying, and speaking badly at first. That's exactly how you should learn English. Beginners make the biggest mistake. They try to be perfect from day one. But perfection kills progress. So your first rule is simple. Speak broken English, but speak daily. Now, let's make it practical. Step 1. Surround yourself with English. You don't need expensive courses. Your phone is enough. Change your phone language to English. Watch simple English videos daily. Listen to short English audio while walking or resting. At first, you won't understand everything. That's normal. Your brain is adjusting. The more you listen, the more your mind starts recognizing patterns. This is how fluency begins, silently. Step 2. Learn small, useful sentences. Not big vocabulary lists. Beginners don't need 10,000 words. You need 100 powerful daily sentences. For example, I am trying. I understand. Can you repeat? Let's go. These small sentences build confidence. And confidence builds fluency. Write 5 new sentences every day and speak them out loud. Not in your mind, out loud. Because speaking is a physical habit, not a mental one. Step 3. Talk to yourself. Yes, it sounds funny, but it works like magic. Look around you and describe things in English. I am sitting on a chair. I am holding my phone. I am drinking water. This trains your brain to think in English. And the day you start thinking in English, speaking becomes natural. You stop translating. And that is the turning point every learner dreams about. Now, let's talk about fear, the biggest enemy of beginners. You're not bad at English. You're just scared of judgment. You think people will laugh. But here's the reality. Nobody cares as much as you think. Everyone is busy with their own life. And even if someone laughs, remember this. People laugh at beginners, but respect learners who don't quit. So don't wait for confidence to start. Start to build confidence. Next, pronunciation. Many beginners feel shy because they think their accent is bad. But listen carefully. Clarity is more important than accent. You don't need a foreign accent. You just need clear words. Speak slowly. Open your mouth properly. Copy how native speakers speak from videos.
Pause, repeat, copy.
This simple imitation method can improve your pronunciation faster than any course. Now, let's fix the grammar fear. Beginners panic about grammar. But here's the secret. Grammar should support speaking, not stop it. Learn grammar slowly, naturally. One rule at a time. Don't try to master everything together. Learn present tense first. Use it daily. Then move forward. Language grows layer by layer, not overnight. Also, stop comparing yourself with fluent speakers. Comparison kills motivation. You are not late. You are learning. Everyone starts as a beginner. Even the most fluent speaker once struggled with basic sentences. So respect your journey. Celebrate small wins. Your first full sentence. Your first conversation. Your first confident introduction. These moments matter. And here's something most people won't tell you. Enjoy the process. If learning feels boring, you'll quit. So make it fun. Watch English content you actually like. Movies, gaming, motivation, comedy, anything. When you enjoy the language, you stay longer. And when you stay longer, you improve faster. Now imagine this. A few months from today, Someone asks you a question in English, and you reply without fear. No shaking voice. No blank mind. Just a simple, confident answer. That moment is closer than you think. Not because English is easy, but because you finally learned it the right way. So if you're a beginner watching this, remember, you don't need talent. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need expensive courses. You just need daily action, small courage, and the willingness to sound imperfect. Because imperfect practice creates perfect confidence. And before you leave, I want you to do one thing. Comment below one simple English sentence about yourself. Anything. I am learning English. I will not quit. This is your first step, your public promise. And if this helped you, make sure you like the video so more beginners can find the right path. Subscribe if you want simple, real, no confusion English learning videos that actually work. Your journey starts now. Don't wait. Start speaking today. Your future fluent self is already waiting.